Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about XOR operator. So what is XOR operator? XOR operator generally exclusive OR operator if you expressed as a ex exclusive OR operator. Okay. So XOR is if you donate it, that is in cap form, I cap, j cap. If you have heard the name in a vector, mathematical vector form, that's why this is called a XOR operator. And if you want, if you go for the keyboard, type shift, then the numeric form of 6 above, this is the XOR operator. Okay, so here inside the bitwise operator, here XOR operator is defined. What is XOR operator? Sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Okay, so it says that if your both the bits are different, then it is going to be true. If both the bits are same, it is going to be false. Okay, so bitwise XOR operator sets the bits to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Okay, one of two bits is 1. You can define the statement in this way, or you can define the statement similar bits are going to be 0 and dissimilar bits are going to be 1. That's it. Okay, so let's see through example, you better understand how it is going to work. Suppose x4 y equal to 6. Now you have to define x4 as, that is 0 1 0 0, then 6 has 0 1 1 0. Okay, when you going to print x, then XOR y, your return is going to be 2. Okay, your return is going to be 2 because similar bits are 0. Here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, that's why it returns the true, means 0 0 1 0. Fine. Okay, so next we go for x equal to 65, then y equal to 66. You know what are the binary form, because in previous video I also take this example. So 1 5 zeros 1, then after that has 1 4 zeros 1 0, then print x XOR y, then has, take this example 1, that is going to be similar bits are 0 0 0 5 zeros 1 1, that is also returns 3. Okay, understood how bitwise XOR operator is going to be work. Similar bits are 0, here I am write down similar bits are 0. Okay, and dissimilar bits are 1. Similar bits are 0, dissimilar bits are 1. Okay, so here similar bits means 1 1 0 0, these are the similar, but dissimilar 1 0 or 0 1, these are the dissimilar bits are 1. Okay, this is for bitwise X operator. If you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.